And now for the beans. First you gotta wash the beans, of course, like any vegetable. There's a couple of different ways to cut beans. First way is you just grab your beans like this. You line them up nicely in a row. Cut all the ends off. Boom. Move over to the next side. Boom. And your beans, put them in another bowl. Here's another way you can do it, which is the way my mom likes to do them. You take the beans like this and you cut them with scissors. Same idea here, you just put a little bit of water for the steam to cook the beans. Put a plate on top. In the microwave. 2 minutes 45 seconds. While that's cooking, we can prep the garlic. Butter. Okay. Again, watch out because ceramic gets pretty hot in the microwave. Oh yeah, that's good. Put the butter, the garlic, and that's a lot of garlic, so you want to make sure you're in intimate company. Nuts. Mix it all up. And there you have it. 5-minute microwaved beans with garlic, butter, and sunflower seeds. Amazing.